Greetings and welcome to week 4 of Teaching Geography in the 21st Century. Now week 4 has a special theme, as all the weeks do. This one is on natural hazards. Natural hazards. The Earth is a dynamic planet, right? Natural hazards allows us to teach about natural forces, so physical geography, but also how natural hazards continue to shape our world culturally, how they impact people. So we will have a nice bridge to cultural geography as well. Now our module objectives for natural hazards, week 4, are as follows. First of all, I want you to understand the spatial patterns inherent in selected types of natural hazards and how to analyze them using geographic tools. I'm very big on learning the foundations but also applying them. So I want you to actually know the foundations, but then also how do I teach with this? What kinds of tools are available to do that? So that is selected types of natural hazards. It's not every single natural hazard, but I'm hoping that, again, I'm planting some seeds that you can say, well, if I can analyze hurricanes, I can look at ice storms. If I can analyze tornadoes, I can also look at windstorms or floods or whatever. Now, the second objective is to understand the vulnerability of populations to natural hazards and how to assess that vulnerability. All right, so a little bit of a bridge, as I say, to cultural geography. Now the learning objectives, or learning activities, I guess I should say, in this module are as follows. We've got 5 of them. First, watching a recorded video on this week's topics. That's this activity right here that you're doing. And then short readings on natural hazards and their impact on human populations over space and time. Number 3, investigating world earthquake patterns using ArcGIS Online. There are so many things you can do with ArcGIS Online, so we keep coming back to that tool. In this case, we're going to look at some real-time data from the U.S. Geological Survey. 4th, we're going to investigate tornado patterns in the USA over space and time. And then 5th, we're going to actually analyze a different natural hazard, and that is hurricanes, okay, over space and time. So I'm quite excited about those hands-on activities. And then on our learning assessments, what we're going to do is basically what we're going to have in the other weeks of what you've already seen. We're going to have 2 forums. One forum where you reflect and converse with each other about your reactions to the readings, what you've learned there, and also how you've applied those readings in your classroom, past and present. And then number 2, another forum where you're responding to what I ask you to do inside the hands-on component of the Module 4. And then you'll have a short quiz where you are assessing your own progress, and then I can assess how you're doing in the course, also engage the next week accordingly. So that is Module 4, or Week 4 of Teaching Geography in the 21st Century. It's going to be great. It's going to be appropriate. It's going to be digging deep into the whys of where, which is our emphasis on this course so far. It's going to talk about and have you look at all kinds of spatial patterns at a variety of different scales and with a variety of different tools. So let's get started. Thanks.